Spokane's the last place I thought we would have a virtual production studio. I remember always seeing it from the TV show The Mandalorian.
It is the first one in a high school in the nation. It acts as kind of like a green screen, but it's right there and you can act with it, and the camera moves with it.
The motion tracking in the room to the camera that attaches to a virtual camera inside the world and makes the world move with us, that's what makes this special. Try clicking on the actual torch.
I really like the creative aspect of being able to make your worlds like from scratch.
It's been really nice to get to be really hands-on with new technology.
Windows-based flight simulator that we have basically the yokes and rudder pedals and throttles, as well as additional switches that the students can use to reinforce the habits that they're going to need when they actually transition into an aircraft.
Over here we have probably some of the nicest paint booths in the Spokane area. We have 2 Nova Verda prep decks where they can do some of their primer work in and painting, and then we have a full bake booth behind them, so it's a full Nova Verda downdraft bake booth.
When I moved here and I found out that I could work hands-on and get the experience I need so it's even faster when I get a job, I was so happy.
My dream is to own a car dealership.
I want to go on to make movies.
I get a head start in the industry, which I'm really thankful for.
The only way that we're able to teach these kids how to walk out into the industry and get a job is by having everyday equipment.
Well, these kids can go straight into the virtual production business, which is massively increasing. Like 6-figure jobs to work in Unreal Engine and basically build worlds. I mean, that sounds pretty fun to me.